Have you been involved in a motorcycle crash here in Florida and they're trying to say that you have more than 50% of fault? Well, this video is for you. So about 2 years ago here in Florida in 2023, the governor signed into law a new comparative fault negligence law. If you are more than 50% at fault for a crash, then you can get nothing. You get zero. The old law, let's just say you went to trial and the jury said you were 80% at fault and they put 20% of fault on the other guy. You could still get 20% of the verdict. Now, if you were found 51% at fault, you get zero. That is why, if you were in a motorcycle crash, the battle comes down to what percentage. There are cases where both parties are at fault. That does happen quite often. But the fight comes down to what percentages, because the insurance company might say, you know what? We'll stipulate that we're 49% at fault. Well, they're really saying is they're not going to give you a dime. They're not doing you any favors. And so it's important that when we look at your evidence and we're setting your case up to prove it, that we can prove the fault and that we can prove that you're, less than 50% at fault at a minimum. And so these cases can be very tricky and they can be very risky. When you're in a situation like that, it's important you get an attorney involved immediately, because if you don't and the evidence goes away, we can't find the witnesses, we can't look at the skid marks, we can't hire an accident reconstructionist because too much time has gone by. That hurts your case. That hurts our ability to prove your case. It's vital, if you really want to pursue a case and do it the right way, and prove fault and be able to really protect your rights, that you call us immediately after a crash. Call me and ask to speak to me directly. I will take the phone, I will talk to you, we'll go over your rights, and I can tell you how I can help you. I appreciate your time.